Enhance your website with Web2GoTech using WordPress.com Creator Plan. Choose the Creator Plan, formerly known as the Business Plan, to create a supercharged WordPress website with plugins, third-party themes, and everything else you need to host a professional website. This guide explains what's included in the WordPress Creator Plan. You can choose a site for sports, you can choose a site for train booking, you can choose a site for music streaming. Web2GoTech iPhone apps included in the Creator Plan. You can install plugins, third-party themes, search engine optimization tools, custom codes, backup, uninterrupted performance, enhanced security, storage, supports, advanced developer features. Try Creator for free. Creator Plan versus self-hosting. Including in the Creator Plan. The Creator Plan gives you the following: WordPress hosting, everything included in the free version of WordPress, everything included in the starter plan, free domain for 1 year, ad-free experience, activity log, some selected premium themes, and more. Everything included in the Explorer plan, styles to change colors and fonts, premium themes, advertising, video uploads, Google Analytics, and more. All the features are listed below in this guide. Install plugins. Plugins are additional tools that enhance a website's functionality. With the Creator Plan, you can install plugins to create an online store, offer an online course, create membership, sell digital downloads, and implement virtually any other features you can imagine. Plugins are created by individuals and companies in the WordPress community who have made their tools available to all WordPress users. You can install plugins from over 50,000 available in the WordPress.org repository. Upload plugins you have found elsewhere, or even build a plugin yourself. Plugin authors can provide their plugins for free at a cost, or commonly with a free version plus an option to upgrade for extra features. A small number of plugins are not permitted on WordPress.com because we have found them that they can cause problems with your site, such as the reset plugins. In those cases, we'll often provide identical or superior functionalities included with your plan. Third-party themes. We offer an extensive collection of beautiful, professionally designed themes to suit any website. Can't find a layout that could work for your site? On the Creator Plan, you can upload any WordPress theme from the many thousands of designs by any theme creator or even a theme you designed yourself. The search engine optimization tools. All WordPress.com websites are optimized for search engines from a technical standpoint. On the Creator Plan, you can access extra options for more advanced control over your website's appearance and search. In addition, you can install an SEO plugin, such as the popular Yachts Premium plugin, to fine-tune the SEO of each page, post, and your site overall. Custom code. The creator plan allows you to add custom code, including JavaScript and iframe. You can also add code to your site's header. That is common for verifying your site with Google AdSense, MailChimp, and other services. The free starter or explorer plans do not support these custom code modifications. Backups. With the ability to install plugins, third-party themes, and custom codes comes with added risk. The creator plan includes daily backups to keep your site safe. You can rest easily knowing that whatever happens, you can restore your site to exactly how it was at any previous theme. Sites with plugins installed and automatically backed up every day to make sure that none of your site changes are lost. We retain these backups as long as your site has an active plan and an additional 30 days after plan expiration or deactivation to ensure that you can quickly get your site back up running. Web2GoTech backup architecture. You can back up your sites into the cloud from the virtual server, desktop, and laptop. Uninterrupted performance. Multi-data center supports and real-time replication ensure your websites can handle traffic surges endlessly. By caching your sites around the world, we reduce the time it takes to reach your visitors, no matter where they are. Your visitors will enjoy faster page load times and an improved user experience, helping you retain and grow your audience. Enhance security. On sites hosted with WordPress.com, Jetpack Scan is used to detect vulnerabilities and security threats in plugins, themes, and user uploaded files. Jetpack Scans uses data from WordPress Scan and the WordPress.com security team to keep sites safe from malware and security breaches. While sites on other hosting providers need to pay extra from Jetpack Scan, it is integrated into your plan. Learn more about everything we do to keep your site safe. Storage. The Creator Plan offers 50 gigabytes of storage for your images, audio files, and documents. Video uploads. Videos uploaded to the Creator Plans with hosting access activated do not count against your storage allotment. Learn more about storage on WordPress.com. Support. Creator Plan customers will receive 24/7 support from our expert happiness engineers. While most other hosting companies provide support for their hosting related services, at WordPress.com, we also help with any question you may have when building your website on WordPress. Not sure how to create a portfolio site, add a product, or style your contact page? We are here to help. Advanced developer features. WordPress.com is the perfect choice for the less technical minded. and for those who don't have experience with programming code and website files. However, if you are tech savvy and wish to work on your website using advanced developer tools, we provide credentials for SFTP and SSH access, MySQL database access via PHP MyAdmin, PHP version switching, manage your site's server-side cache, test product and design changes by creating a staging site environment and seamlessly sync updates to and from your live site, GitHub deployment, auto updates of plugins, themes, and WordPress software to keep your website up to date and secure. The best security measures to protect your website from threats, including DDoS attacks, malware, and brute force attacks. Use our REST API to integrate custom functions or applications with your site content. Try Creator for free. You can start a free 7-day trial of the Creator plan on a site that has not yet upgraded to any of our paid plans. To eligible for a free trial, you must have already verified your account's email address. Start the free trial on a site that doesn't already have a paid plan. Not currently have another website on a free trial of the Creator plan. Start your free trial today. A trial Creator plan website has the following limitations compared to the full plan. For a free trial, you have 3 gigabytes of storage, you have 100 subscribers maximum, you have 1 video upload, you have lower priority email sending. And for the full Creator plan, we have 50 gigabytes of storage, unlimited subscribers, unlimited video uploads, and normal priority email sending. In the upper left corner of your site's dashboard, you can check how many days is remaining on your trial. Click the upgrade button to pay for the Creator plan and continue after the trial ends. Creator plan sites on a free trial are deleted 7 days after the trial expires if not upgraded. Creator plan versus self-hosting. WordPress.com Creator offers the same great, extendable, and flexible WordPress experience as self-hosting with added benefits. On WordPress.com Creator, we manage the hardware and the low-level system configuration for you so you can focus on what's most important, which is your content. There is no need for an SSH or FTP access, as we provide an easy-to-use interface to manage your site. However, SFTP access and SSH access are available on WordPress.com should you require it. We seamlessly allocate several resources without the need to upgrade further like some hosts require. Creator plan sites with plugins installed can restore backups to their sites in just a few clicks. Access to our Happiness Engineer support team 7 days a week. With self-hosting, you are typically managing your own servers and have more access to fine-tune configuration files. However, more control means more responsibilities. On a self-hosted site, you'll be responsible for maintaining site security, backup, spam prevention, and other functions yourself. Functions we consider an essential part of owning a website and therefore provide automated tools that do the work for you. In addition, there is not a dedicated support team for WordPress.org like we offer here on WordPress.com.